You've heard the whispers. You've seen the headlines. Cryptocurrencies, the future of finance, or a wild west of scams and hacks. And what about Beam? Is this privacy-focused coin truly secure for your hard-earned cash? Look, we get it. Crypto can be intimidating. The jargon, the volatility, the constant fear of losing everything. But Beam, with its focus on privacy, throws another layer of complexity into the mix. Is it worth the trade-off? Can you truly trust your funds to a system that prioritizes anonymity? Addressing concerns. Let's break down the key concerns. First, security breaches. Beam, like any cryptocurrency, faces the ever-present threat of hacks. Exploits in the code, compromised exchanges, phishing scams, these are real dangers. But how does Beam specifically address these risks? Then there's the privacy angle. While privacy is a core tenet of Beam, it can also be a double-edged sword. If your funds are untraceable, how can you prove ownership in case of theft or dispute? What happens if you lose access to your wallet? Finally, regulation. The crypto world is a constantly evolving landscape, with governments grappling to understand and regulate this new technology. How does this regulatory uncertainty impact Beam and your ability to use your funds freely? But let's not get carried away with the doom and gloom. Beam has taken significant steps to enhance security. Its Mimblewumble protocol, while complex, offers strong privacy features while also bolstering security. And while absolute anonymity might seem daunting, Beam provides ways to prove ownership when necessary. Furthermore, the regulatory landscape, while uncertain, is constantly evolving. Many countries are exploring ways to regulate crypto while still fostering innovation. Ultimately, the safety of your funds depends on your own security practices. Strong passwords, hardware wallets, and a healthy dose of skepticism are crucial, regardless of the cryptocurrency you choose. So, is it safe to keep money in Beam? There's no easy answer. It depends on your risk tolerance, your understanding of the technology, and the precautions you're willing to take. Beam offers a compelling proposition, a privacy-focused cryptocurrency with a strong emphasis on security. But it's not without its risks. Do your research, understand the technology, and prioritize security above all else. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.